In front of me is POCO F6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access apps. Over here. Then click on app lock at the bottom of the list and hit turn on. Finally, create a pattern that you will use to lock your apps. If you prefer to use a different login method, hit change password at the bottom and pick one of those. Then create it, repeat it to confirm it, and hit next at the bottom right corner. Now you can sign in to your Xiaomi account or tap on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To lock all of those apps, click on Use App Lock right away. If you don't want to do that, you need to click on all of them and then tap on Use App Lock. In order to add your fingerprint to unlock your apps, click on Settings and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do that, select Cancel. Finally, to lock your apps, click on the switchers next to them. So now when I try to access one of my locked ones, icons that pattern is required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings, enter it, and tap on the same No Blue switchers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!